How to invite friends in Among Us. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to invite friends in Among Us. It's a straightforward process, so follow these steps carefully. Firstly, it's important to note that whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, the process is the same. In my case, I'm using an Android device, so I can go and open the Play Store and update the Among Us app. Open your Among Us application. You can explore different features such as news, friends, and more. To invite friends in Among Us, click on the play button at the top. A tab will appear on the right side of your screen with options for local and online play. Choose for online option and then select the host. From there, you can create a game by clicking on Create Game. After setting up your game, confirm the settings and proceed. You will now be in your game lobby. By clicking on the icon, you can view your friend list, and if you wish to invite a friend, click on the invite icon or share the code with them to join your private game. As of recording this video, this is the method to invite friends in Among Us. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.